The cooler that's being used in this particular build requires the original bracket to be removed. So we just have to remove these plastic brackets and the 4 screws holding them in place. So each bracket has 2 screws, and then the plastic bracket should come right off, and then the one on the bottom has to be removed as well. And then this particular mounting bracket for this cooler is going to have 4 plastic spacers which go right over the posts, and then you have the metal bracket itself, and there are 4 screws that go into that as well. I'm going to thread all 4 screws in first before tightening them. So now all 4 screws are in place, and now I'm going to fully tighten the bracket. Alright, now it's time to apply the thermal paste. So the cooler came with a little packet of thermal paste. I just had to cut the little tip off. And for these smaller processors, you don't have to do anything fancy. All you got to do is you got to put a blob of thermal paste right into the center of it. And you don't have to spread it out. Just a blob right in the center is good enough. And then we're going to install the cooler.